IaaS, Infrastructure as a Service or IaaS, is like renting the digital building blocks for your IT needs. Instead of purchasing physical servers and networking equipment, you're essentially renting them from a cloud provider like Amazon, Microsoft, or Google. You get virtual machines, storage, and networks that you can configure however you want, while still maintaining control over your applications and operating systems. PaaS, or Platform as a Service, takes cloud computing a step further by providing not just infrastructure, but a complete development and deployment environment. It takes IaaS a step further. Picture renting not just the apartment, but also the tools and workspace to decorate it. In the cloud, PaaS gives developers a platform to build, test, and deploy applications without managing the underlying infrastructure. It includes development tools, databases, and more. Developers can focus on coding and creating apps, while the cloud provider handles the heavy lifting. SaaS, or Software as a Service, delivers complete applications over the internet that you can access through a web browser. Unlike traditional software that you install on your computer, SaaS applications run in the cloud and require no installation or maintenance on your part. You simply log in and use them. From email services like Gmail to productivity suites and customer relationship management tools like Salesforce, SaaS has become the standard way many of us interact with software today. FaaS, or Function as a Service, is also called serverless computing. Sounds cool, right? There are still servers, but you don't manage them. Your code runs only when triggered by events, like a file upload or a web request. You pay only for the time your code runs, making it super efficient for tasks that don't need a full server running all the time. CaaS, or Container as a Service, provides a managed environment specifically designed for deploying and running containerized applications. Containers package software and all its dependencies together, ensuring consistent operation across different computing environments. With CaaS, you focus on creating your containers while the provider handles the infrastructure needed to deploy, manage, and scale them. This is particularly valuable for development teams using technologies like Docker and Kubernetes, who want consistency across development, testing, and production environments. SaaS, or Storage as a Service, offers scalable and flexible cloud storage resources that you can access on demand. Instead of purchasing and maintaining physical storage devices, you can instantly provision storage capacity that automatically grows or shrinks based on your needs. It's essentially an infinitely expandable storage unit that you can access from anywhere in the world, while only paying for the space you actually use. DBaaS, or Database as a Service, provides fully managed database systems in the cloud. Rather than installing, configuring, and administering database software yourself, the cloud provider handles all the operational aspects, including setup, patching, backups, replication, and scaling. This allows you to focus on your data models and application logic while leaving the database administration to the experts. Desktop as a Service, or DaaS, delivers virtual desktop environments from the cloud that you can access from virtually any device. Instead of being tied to a physical computer with locally installed software, your desktop experience is hosted in the cloud. This means you can access your complete work environment, including applications, settings, and files from a laptop, tablet, or even a smartphone, picking up exactly where you left off. DaaS is transforming how we think about workspaces, enabling truly flexible and remote work setups while improving security and management. It's essentially having your computer's contents available wherever you go. Your desktop follows you, not the other way around. BaaS, or Backend as a Service, is a developer's best friend for mobile and web apps. It provides ready-made backend services like user logins, databases, and notifications. This lets developers focus on the front end, what users see, while the cloud provider handles the backend stuff. SaaS, or Security as a Service, delivers comprehensive security capabilities through the cloud. These services typically include threat detection and prevention, identity management, data loss prevention, encryption, and compliance monitoring. SecOps. Providers continuously update their systems against the latest threats, providing better protection than many organizations could achieve independently. AI/MLAS, or Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning as a Service, democratizes access to advanced AI capabilities. These platforms provide pre-built machine learning models, training frameworks, and APIs that let organizations implement AI solutions without deep data science expertise or specialized hardware. Whether you need image recognition, natural language processing, predictive analytics, or custom machine learning models, AI/MLAS makes these technologies accessible with relatively minimal investment. It's like having Einstein on speed dial. You can harness incredible analytical power without needing a PhD yourself. NaaS, or Network as a Service, lets you set up and manage your network like VPNs, firewalls, or bandwidth through the cloud. Instead of buying networking hardware, you control everything online, making it easy to connect offices, remote workers, or cloud resources securely. HPCS, or High-Performance Computing as a Service provides supercomputer-level processing power on demand for complex computational tasks. Instead of investing millions in specialized high-performance hardware that might only be used occasionally, organizations can access massive parallel processing capabilities when needed. This makes advanced simulations, modeling, data analytics, and scientific computing accessible to a much wider range of users. It's comparable to having access to a Formula One car. When you need exceptional speed, you get the performance without having to build or maintain the racing car yourself. MaaS, or monitoring as a service gives you cloud-based tools to monitor your apps, servers, or networks. You get real-time alerts and reports about performance or issues, helping you keep everything running smoothly without setting up your own monitoring systems. XaaS, or Everything as a Service, is a catch-all term for delivering any IT function or service over the cloud, whether it's software, hardware, storage, or security. If it can be provided online and managed by a provider, it falls under XaaS.